Compact deep fryers have come a long way, and today they can deliver crispy, restaurant-style results without taking over your kitchen. Choosing the best small deep fryer really comes down to how much control, capacity, and cleanup convenience you want. In this video, we're breaking down several standout options based on real small deep fryer reviews so you can quickly see what each one does best. Before we jump in, I'm genuinely curious, do you mostly use a deep fryer for quick snacks, or do you actually cook full meals with it? Honestly, let me know what you use yours for most. Links to current prices are in the description below. We'll start with the Minca 1.6 quart deep fryer, a model that immediately feels well thought out for everyday home use. Despite its compact footprint, the stainless steel construction gives it a solid, dependable presence on the countertop. It feels like an appliance designed to be used regularly rather than stored away and forgotten. With a 1.6 quart oil capacity, the Minca is ideal for small batches. You can comfortably fry fries, wings, or vegetables without using excessive oil, which makes it appealing for smaller households. This efficient size is one reason it often comes up in conversations about finding a great small deep fryer for apartments or limited counter space. As you cook, the adjustable temperature control proves to be one of its strongest assets. Instead of relying on a fixed heat level, you can select a temperature that matches what you're preparing. The fryer works to maintain that heat, helping food cook evenly and develop a consistent golden exterior. The removable frying basket adds to the controlled experience. Food lowers smoothly into the oil and lifts out just as easily, allowing excess oil to drain back into the fryer. When cooking is finished, the removable components simplify cleanup, and the compact size makes storage easy. In any small deep fryer comparison focused on balance and practicality, the Minca holds its own. From a technical standpoint, the internal heating element is designed to distribute heat evenly across the oil reservoir, reducing temperature swings when food is added. The thermostat actively regulates power to maintain the selected temperature, while built-in overheat protection helps prevent damage during extended cooking sessions. These features combine to deliver stable performance in a compact form factor. Next is the Elite Gourmet EDF 2100 Electric Immersion Deep Fryer, which approaches frying with a slightly more hands-on design. Its immersion-style heating element sits directly in the oil, allowing it to heat efficiently and evenly. This reduces preheat time and creates a predictable frying environment. One of the biggest advantages you'll notice during use is the adjustable thermostat. You can select specific temperatures depending on what you're cooking, whether that's lighter snacks or heartier foods. Once set, the fryer works to maintain that temperature, supporting consistent browning from batch to batch. The immersion heater plays a key role in even cooking. Because heat surrounds the basket more evenly, food is less likely to cook unevenly or develop hot spots. This design makes the fryer feel responsive and controlled, especially for users who like to fine-tune their cooking process. After cooking, the modular design becomes especially convenient. The removable oil container and basket make cleanup more manageable, and the compact size keeps it from overwhelming your kitchen. For viewers searching for a top-rated small deep fryer with strong temperature control, this model often earns a place on the short list. Technically, the immersion heating system allows for faster heat recovery after food is introduced, which is critical for maintaining crisp textures. The fryer's power delivery is optimized to cycle efficiently rather than running continuously, reducing strain on internal components while still holding stable frying temperatures. If temperature control really matters to you when you're frying, I'm super interested to hear whether you prefer dialing things in manually like this, or if you'd rather keep it simple and hands-off. Safety features such as automatic shutoff further enhance long-term reliability. Next, the Presto 5420 FryDaddy electric deep fryer takes a completely different approach, focusing on simplicity above all else. There's no temperature dial to adjust. Instead, the fryer heats oil to a preset frying temperature and maintains it automatically throughout cooking. This design removes much of the guesswork. You don't need to monitor temperature or make adjustments. You simply add food and focus on timing. For many users, this straightforward operation is exactly what makes the FryDaddy appealing. Its compact size and fixed oil capacity also encourage efficient oil use. You're not filling a large reservoir just to cook a small portion, which makes it practical for quick snacks or small meals. Foods like fries and nuggets tend to cook evenly, developing a uniform golden finish. Because there's no basket, food is removed with utensils once it's done. Cleanup is simple thanks to the non-stick interior, and storage is easy due to the small footprint. In many small deep fryer reviews, the FryDaddy is praised for being reliable and uncomplicated, especially for users who value ease over customization. From a technical perspective, the preset thermostat is calibrated to maintain an optimal frying temperature without manual input. This reduces the risk of overheating oil and helps ensure consistent results. The heating element cycles automatically to regulate heat output, and built-in thermal protection adds an extra layer of safety during extended or repeated use. Moving on to the Cuisinart Deep Fryer 1.1 Quart CDF 100 NAS, this model introduces a more refined and precise frying experience. The brushed stainless steel exterior gives it a clean, professional look that fits comfortably in modern kitchens. Despite its small size, it offers reassuring control during cooking. The adjustable thermostat allows you to select specific temperatures, which is especially helpful when preparing different types of food. The fryer heats oil to the selected setting and works to maintain it consistently. An indicator light clearly shows when the oil is ready, eliminating uncertainty. The 1.1 quart oil capacity is well suited for small batches, and the basket design allows oil to circulate freely while draining excess oil when lifted. Cleanup and storage are thoughtfully considered. Several components can be removed for washing, and the compact footprint keeps it from dominating your counter. In a small deep fryer comparison focused on precision and build quality, the Cuisinart is often seen as a strong contender. The heating system is designed for controlled temperature ramp-up, reducing oil degradation caused by overheating. The thermostat responds quickly to temperature changes, improving consistency across multiple batches. Integrated safety features, including overheat protection and a stable base design, contribute to dependable everyday operation. Finally, we come to the T-fal Compact EZ Clean Stainless Steel Deep Fryer, a model that blends performance with convenience. The stainless steel construction feels durable and built for regular use, even though the overall size remains compact. As you cook, the adjustable thermostat allows you to choose appropriate temperatures for different foods. The fryer heats evenly and maintains that heat, which leads to consistent results and evenly browned food. This level of control is especially helpful when switching between ingredients that need slightly different frying temperatures. The EZ Clean Oil Filtration System is what truly sets this fryer apart. After cooking, oil drains through the filtration process into a removable oil box, helping remove food particles before storage. This makes oil reuse more practical, reduces waste, and keeps the interior of the fryer cleaner between uses. Over time, these design choices become especially valuable. The removable parts simplify cleaning, and the exterior wipes down easily, making regular maintenance far less of a chore. This thoughtful balance of performance and maintenance is why many users consider it a great small deep fryer, and why it's frequently mentioned as a top-rated small deep fryer in its category. The T-fal uses a powerful heating element designed for fast preheating and strong temperature recovery once food is added. The thermostat actively regulates energy output to prevent temperature drops that can lead to soggy results. Combined with built-in safety mechanisms such as automatic shutoff and heat-resistant housing, this fryer delivers reliable, consistent performance in a compact, user-friendly design. At the end of the day, the right small deep fryer comes down to how you cook. Some of these models shine with hands-off simplicity, while others give you more control and cleaner oil management. I'm genuinely curious which one feels like the best fit for your kitchen, and honestly, what feature matters most to you when you're choosing a fryer? Let me know in the comments because I'm super interested to hear. If you want to take a closer look, you'll find links to the current prices for all of them in the description below.